going on, YouTube? What's going on? How's everybody going today? Hope everybody's having a great day. As you can see, got my dad with me again, working on this Honda. Y'all gonna see later on this video. It's basically, I recorded this video yesterday that we went to the salvage yard, but you know, that was epic fail. I thought I won yesterday. Like, if y'all gonna see in the video that, you know, I thought I found the part that I needed, but oh, man, when you get to the salvage yard, it's always something. Look at that, got the old man right here. Tell the people, how many hours did we spend yesterday in the salvage yard? Didn't get nothing accomplished.
3 hours.
3 hours in the salvage yard to get nothing accomplished.
Beating on parts.
Beating on parts. Pulled the part off of one car. It was the right part, but the wrong year car. So then we out there trying to go beat on another car and couldn't get that part off, and just, you know.
Just a waste of time,
Messing with rusty parts. Best to just, like you said, best to just go buy the part, right?
Yeah, but this is something that you can just ready to take off easy, that's gonna come off easy. Something like an axle, something like this, if you ain't got the right tools and the right stuff to take with you, you just out there spinning your wheels.
Yeah, so, you know, 3 hours in the salvage yard, man, didn't get nothing accomplished, man. It was just like, man, y'all gonna see the video, y'all gonna see me walk around, y'all gonna be like, man, I was happy. I found the part that I needed. But it's crazy, like when them parts is like rusty, like just sometimes just I'll be, I'm always learning, you know. I'm still always learning, you know, always learning. So, you know, I'm making these mistakes so you guys don't make the same mistakes, you know. So we're all learning together. So, but yeah, man, the axle bolt and stuff like that, this part was so, like, we got one off easily, but it was off a newer year, and so they switched some things up, so it didn't work. So then we had to go all the way back out to the salvage yard, back out to the thing and pull another part. I should have recorded some of that video yesterday, but my phone was going dead. But man, it was, y'all gonna see that we walked around the salvage yard and I found the part, but see, y'all know today, like, y'all seeing yesterday's video, but y'all seeing the results today. So, man, it was crazy, man. You know, out there trying to have a crowbar to get this part and broke like 2 crowbars out there at the salvage yard. Man, it's crazy. But man, that's just the life of life of the car business, man. Is, you know, you try to do some stuff to save a little bit of money, but you end at the end of the day, just go, if parts like that, just go buy from, you know, your local salvage parts store, or just buy brand new if you can buy it cheap enough. But on that car, it wasn't gonna be no cheaper way of buying it, you know, because a lot of time on some of these used cars, man, you go to the salvage yard to try to buy some of these parts used that's still good, just to try to save a little bit of money, because on stuff like that, if I bought that stuff new, then I'll be investing too much money into the car, and then once you invest too much money in the car, you don't make any money. But yeah, y'all about to see the trip to my walkthrough of the salvage yard, and I'm talking about giving a little advice too while I'm walking in the salvage yard too. But so let's get to it. At the salvage yard once again, man, with the old man. Gotta get one part. We're here for one part. See how people look at that roll, they're so thin. So no point, like on these cars, like all the stuff is built in one, so it's cheaper. And then to get the whole spindle, so I'm just going to get the whole spindle. Look at it, man. Wearing cars out, man. I was wondering when I was driving that car, man, that car sounds rough. Here at pull-apart, you know, where you need to go to get your parts. $2 to enter. Make sure you get your tools. You know, $2 to enter. That's all it needs. Tires and rims. Tires with rims, $12.50. Tires without the rim, $10. Who knows? You might get lucky and find you a good 1 or 2 good tires out there. You never know.
that part came off of a Honda, so we gotta walk all the way in the back. And so if you deal with mostly like a lot of Chevys and GMs, it's good for you because you're right here in the front. But if you deal like with import cars, you know, you gotta go all the way in the back, you know. Well, they got all the parts you need, whatever you need, you know. Fords, all the parts. Look at this. Nothing like the smell of the salvage, you know. Make sure you ain't wearing no slides. Make sure you got some good shoes. Cause look at that, man. You got rocks and nails and stuff like that. So you don't want to step on nothing and hurt yourself. If you come in here taking everything apart, bringing the dogs up here, taking everything apart out these cars. And sometimes you can just find parts that you need, you know. Maybe that you got alternators and stuff that's already taken off, you know. You can sometimes just come in here and look in these cars and they already got stuff off. Like, look at that. If you need some seats, somebody already did the job for you. You just gotta pick them up and go. You know, you need a radiator, they already did that for you. Look at all these cars, man. Each of these cars somebody owns. Each of these cars have their own story. Each of these cars has a reason why they're in here, you know. Some of these cars are in here just because people didn't buy the keys on them. Some of these cars, motors. Some of these cars need transmissions. Some of these cars front ends, timings went out. Some of these cars, people just got rid of them. Some of these cars are sitting in there and they all you know, what, especially some of these cars that be like so clean right now. These cars in here, cars clean, but it needs a motor, it needs a transmission. Look at all this money to be made out here. All this money they pay you a little bit of nothing for these cars. You got transmissions on the ground. Look at you got cars on top of cars. Think about it. What year is this? 02 Ford Escape. Probably gave a person what, like $200 for their car. So look, you got somebody that's gonna come out there, get a bumper. They're gonna take the converter off of there. Somebody might come get the motor. Somebody might come get the transmission. Then they just gonna crush it. Look at that, they even got older screw cars out here too. Not a lot, but some though. Then this section right here, it's for all the SUVs and stuff like that. All the SUVs and trucks are in one row. Right there. Old trucks. Then you gotta go all the way to the back, the imports and stuff. Walking the salvage yard, man. Nothing like it. Always here once a week. Basically here once a week. Walking the salvage yard, man. You need parts, man. Like I said, a lot of times people do the work for you, so you really don't have to do much of anything. Look at that, somebody got a converter right there. That's some more money for them. They're gonna be out here taking. Now you back in here in the import section, so all imports like Nissan, Suzuki's, Hondas, Toyotas, all that's gonna be back in here. So you gotta take a walk. And then also if you got Chrysler and Dodge, like Chrysler and Dodge is over there, so you know that's in the back too. So you have to take a walk too on that stuff too. But yeah, man, just telling you guys, man, it's all about, man. You got people here busting the wrenches open, walking around, and you know, you never know. You can walk all the way out here and not get one part that you need. See if I'm lucky to get the part that I need out here. Honda, where you at? We got a Honda right here. Let's see if we get lucky. Are we gonna get lucky? Is we? Let's see. I don't know. I don't know. Don't look like that don't look like a little rotor got a little lip on it, so you know it's been rolled down pretty rough. So I don't know. Let's keep looking. Let's just keep looking until I find what I need to find. Oh, there's too many Hondas back here. See a lot of Nissans. See, that's the only thing with Nissan. See, the bad thing about Nissans is like these older Nissans, after a while, you know, they start burning oil. So, you know, you see a lot of these in here because engines. And a lot of times on Nissans, the transmission goes out before the engine. So, you know, after a certain amount of miles, like over 100,000 miles, you know, a lot of these Nissans start to burn oil. But usually the transmission goes out before the motor, so just happens like that. Oh man, Honda. Come on, Honda, let's see. Did we get lucky? Did we get lucky? Did we get lucky? Get lucky? Okay. Okay, this one, I don't know. Looks a little bit better. Maybe we got lucky, so let's go. But appreciate you guys for tuning in, you know, just doing a little walk here at the salvage yard, man, you know. Just come out here once a week, always walk the yard, you never know. You always can pick up a part or two. Might just find something that you weren't even looking for, something for another vehicle. So, always good to come out here once a week. Like I said, $2 to enter. I mean, you know, there's a lot of stuff, there's a lot of parts out here, so just you gotta see if you want to pull it yourself. So, but thank you for tuning in. Yeah, I think I found one in the back right here. Was that one a 4 or a 5? Lug. Oh, okay. Just wanted to make sure. I know I could have sworn it was 4, but I just wanted to make sure. But yeah, appreciate you guys for tuning in. I'm out. Peace.